Today we'll be solving Leetcode 3375. The question name is minimum operation to make array values equal to key. So first of all, I will select pen color of purple. It is a easy level question of Leetcode. The question says you are given an integer array nums of integer k. An array H is called valid if all the values in the array that are strictly greater than H are identical. For example, in this nums array, a valid integer is h equal to 9 because all nums of I is greater than 9. All nums are greater than 9 are equal to 10. So let's say I have taken the h value as 9. So, but all numbers are greater than 9. It is 10 and 10 only, which are identical. So this 9 is a valid integer, but 5 is not a valid integer because the values which are greater than 5 are 8, 8, 10, 10, which are not identical. So it is not valid integer. So you are allowed to perform the following operation on nums. Select an integer h that is valid for the current values in nums. For each index I, where nums of I is greater than h, select nums of I to h. So we need to return the number of operations required to make every element in nums equal to k. If it is impossible to make all the elements equal to k, return -1. So what the question says is that we have to return the minimum number of operations required to make every element in the nums equal to k. So first of all, we will take a case. Let's say we will take first example only. The nums is 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, and the key value is 2. So let's say this is my 5 value, 5. Okay, this is 2, this is 5. This second, this is 5, this is 4, this is 5. Okay, this is 5, this is 4, and this is 5. And my key value is 2. So my main aim is to convert all the elements in this array equal to 2. So this is my 2. I need to make all the elements to this line. Okay. So first of all, let's take my h value as 4 here. Okay. So all the elements which are greater than 4, I will crop these. Okay. Because all the elements which are greater than 4 are identical. This is 5, 5, 5. Now, all the elements which are greater than 2 will be identical. Because the next smaller element than 4 is 2 only. And for the 2 element, I have cropped the fifth element to 4. So for the 2 element, all the elements which are greater than 2 will be 4 only. Okay. So I will just shrink these again and I will make them equal to 2. So total how many operations I have done? I have done 2 operations. Now in case my k is not equal to 2, let's say my k value is equal to 1, which is this. Okay. Now after 2 operation, my all the values has become 2, but my k value is equal to 1. So I have to do one more operation to make all the elements equal to 1. So I will add the total operation. I will add 1 to the total operation, which will give me 3. But in case my required number is 3. Let's say I want to make all the elements equal to 3. This is 3. We can't make it because my smallest element is smaller than k value only. So it is impossible. So I will be returning -1. So let's see the code. It's a small code. This is the function minimum operations. So we are keeping a hash set for each element in nums. I will be storing it in a hash set. In case my value is smaller than k, then the answer is not even possible. So I will be returning -1. Else I will be I will be adding it to the hash set. So in this question, like 52545, I will store it in a hash set. So what all values it will be storing? It will be storing 2, 4, and 5. Okay. So my answer will be hash set dot size -1. HS dot size -1 -1. Okay. What is the size? 3 -1 equal to 2. So this is will be my answer. But in case my k value is none of these values, let's say my k value is 1. So that in that case, I will be returning hash set dot size only. Okay. Because at the last, I need to perform one more operation to convert all the elements to k also. I will need to return all the minimized value of each element to k also. So after this operation, I will check whether HS dot contains k or not. Whether my hash set contains 1 or not. It does not contain, I will be returning HS dot size. Okay. So this was my solution. Thank you.